Greetings, Shelby County Schools family. As you know, the Shelby County Health Department confirmed the first case of COVID-19 in Shelby County. Our team is closely monitoring developments. We are in constant contact with city and county leaders, as well as working closely with the Shelby County Health Department and Tennessee Department of Health on guidance for handling any confirmed cases in the district.
Shalom Producers, it's your favorite AV production instructor, Mr. CJ, and I've got a spring break challenge for you. In light of the COVID-19 virus, you've got an opportunity to keep the public informed as a Shelby County Schools public health advocate. I've got the assignment. It's coming up on the screens ahead, and hopefully you'll learn a few new skills that you may not have possessed using new software applications from your creative cloud. Of course, go to your programs and select Adobe InCopy. Once Adobe InCopy is selected, use your mouse to scroll up to the word File, then select New. Once you select New, the default should be page size letter. Go ahead and select OK. When the new document comes up, you can see that there are at least 3 different ways you can view your document. There's the galley, the story, or the layout. What we want to view is the layout view. In the drop-down menu, select the Times New Roman font. Once Times New Roman is selected, make sure that regular font style is selected and your font size is 12 point. Next, look over to leading. Make sure your leading is 14.4. I've got a few notes over here to the right hand side, and you can take a look at them to help you. We've already learned how to ensure that we have the right font and size. And the second note tells you to align your name, class, comma, period, and date to the right. Let's see what the notes say. After you've typed and positioned your heading, hit the return key and make sure your production has a title and timestamp. Remember, your script should be timed before submitting your work for production at 30 seconds or 60 seconds plus or minus 2 seconds. After your title and timestamp, hit return to skip a line. Then type your script in regular sentence case. Afterwards, select the text of the script only. Now use your mouse to select type. Then change case. Then uppercase. After you've typed your script using the AIDA formula and you've selected all the text for the script, set your leading to 28.8 for double spacing. Then hit enter. Ensuring that you're in InCopy, select the word File. Save content as, and let's see the different formats. Let's title this SCS Public Health Advocate 1. Then we need to export it. Let's export it as a PDF. Now you can send me an email with your first public service advocate message. I'm so proud of you. Well, producers, that's your spring break challenge. I hope you're up for it. Remember, the skills you're developing are important. It's CJ Anderson bidding you shalom.